Careerflow AI is a powerful new tool for anyone seeking to advance their career. This AI-driven platform is designed to help job seekers, professionals, and students. It provides a comprehensive suite of resources aimed at optimizing job applications and enhancing professional profiles. Careerflow AI leverages advanced algorithms and machine learning to deliver personalized career insights and streamline the job search process. One of the key advantages of Careerflow AI is its user-friendly interface, which is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. This makes it accessible to users of all technical skill levels. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting your career, Careerflow AI can help you achieve your career goals more efficiently. Careerflow AI is more than just a job board or resume builder. It is a comprehensive career development platform that offers a wide range of features to help users identify their strengths, improve their weaknesses, and connect with potential employers. Whether you are looking for a new job, a promotion, or a career change, Careerflow AI can help. Sign up for Careerflow AI today and start taking control of your career. With its powerful features and personalized guidance, Careerflow AI is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to succeed in today's competitive job market. Careerflow AI boasts an impressive array of features designed to empower users. Let's delve into some of the key features that set Careerflow AI apart. The AI Resume Builder takes the hassle out of creating a standout resume. Users can input their information and the AI generates tailored resumes optimized for specific job descriptions, ensuring that your resume highlights the most relevant skills and experience. The AI Cover Letter Generator helps users craft compelling cover letters, aligning your qualifications with the requirements of the job to make a strong first impression. The LinkedIn Optimization tool enhances visibility and attracts recruiters by helping users optimize their LinkedIn profiles. And then there's the Job Application Tracker, which helps users stay organized by managing their applications and tracking their progress. Getting started with Careerflow AI is quick and easy. Simply visit the Careerflow AI website, create an account, and start exploring the platform's many features. Once you have created an account, take some time to set up your profile by providing information about your skills, experience, and career goals. This allows Careerflow AI to provide you with personalized recommendations and insights. When building your resume, use the AI Resume Builder. Input your information. Select from a variety of templates, and the AI will generate a tailored resume that highlights your skills. You can then customize the resume to your liking. Careerflow AI integrates seamlessly with popular job boards, making it easy to search for jobs and apply directly through the platform. You can also use the platform to track your applications and stay organized throughout your job search. Careerflow AI offers numerous benefits to job seekers and professionals. It can help you save time, reduce stress, and increase your chances of landing your dream job. One of the key benefits of Careerflow AI is its ability to provide personalized insights. The platform analyzes your skills, experience, and career goals, providing you with tailored recommendations that help you identify areas for improvement. Another benefit of Careerflow AI is its ability to streamline the job search process. With its AI-powered tools and integration with job boards, Careerflow AI makes it easy to find and apply for jobs, saving you time and effort. Careerflow AI is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to get ahead in their career. Whether you are just starting out or are a seasoned professional, Careerflow AI can help you achieve your career aspirations. Sign up today and unlock your full potential.